In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your website from Hostinger. Whether you're performing regular backups or switching hosting providers, it's important to know how to save your website files and databases locally. So let's dive in and explore the process step by step. First, you need to access the Backups section in your Hostinger account. Start by logging into your hPanel. Once you're in, navigate to the Websites section. You'll see an option to manage your website. Click on that, then proceed to the Backups section. Alternatively, you might find it located under Websites, then Dashboard, and finally, Backups. This is the area where all your backup operations take place. It's the command center you'll return to whenever you need to back up or restore your site. Moving on, we'll first download your website files. Head over to the Restore and Download tab within the Backups section. Here, you'll spot the Files Backups area. There's a drop-down menu available which allows you to select a specific date. It's crucial to choose the right snapshot of your website, especially if you've made recent changes that you want to capture. Once you've selected the date, go ahead and click on Download Files. Hostinger will begin preparing an archive of your site, and you can monitor its progress right there in the hPanel. Patience is key here, as the time it takes can vary based on the size of your site. Once your file is ready, you'll see a Download link appear. Click on that, and your website files will be saved to your computer as a tar.gz file. This file format is commonly used for compression and ensures your data is kept intact and compact. Now, let's turn our attention to your website's database. Switch over to the Database Backups segment, still within the same Restore and Download tab. Similar to the Files section, you'll find a drop-down menu where you can select the date and the specific database you wish to download. This is particularly beneficial if you have multiple databases and need to back up a specific one. Once your selections are set, click on Download Database. Just like before, Hostinger will prepare the database file. Remember, databases are the backbone of your website, housing all your vital information like posts, settings, and user information. Once the preparation is complete, you'll be prompted to download a .sql.gz file. This is the standard format for database exports, ensuring your data is neatly compressed for easy storage. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded both your website files and database from Hostinger, securing a local copy on your computer. Keeping backups of your website is a best practice for any website owner. By following these steps, you can rest assured that your data is safe and sound, ready to be restored whenever you need it. Thanks for tuning in, and happy backing up.